Now, this is a true story. Yes, it is. Ethereum founder Vitalik accidentally creating a new meme coin called the. Yes, the. This is real, accidentally created this, and we're gonna talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, in a tweet last Friday, Ethereum founder Vitalik joked that the project called The Protocol should be created. Now, according to Vitalik, it will be easy to shield by referring to any mention of the by influential members of the community. Very soon, the protocol, the ERC20 protocol appeared, and it's no surprise that the Twitter admins of the new meme coin have taken after the founder of Ethereum by shilling the token whenever someone influential uses the word the. Now, when I go look at the DEX tools, and it's been trending for a while here, the. So when I go click on here, and this is DEX tools, and check out the information here, it's hot number 3 with a, let's see what the market cap is, $28 million off the. And when I click on the website, let's check out the website. Let me go ahead and visit it anyway. It's the. That's all it is. The protocol. This is all it is. This is it. That's all. This is the website. 0 taxes, 100% liquidity burn, the protocol. And oh, by the way, you see the tweet by Vitalik that has it right here. And this is all is there. And by looking at the information, the decided to give 10% of the offering to Vitalik, making him the largest token holder with 100 MLN. The new meme coin managed to grab the attention of some popular Ethereum investors, and it surged 1,000% in 24 hours on Tuesday. In less than 6 days, the is already listed on Hotbit and MXC Global. Moreover, it has already attracted a market capitalization over 6 million. Now, by looking at this, it's the $28 million. And it's still going strong by looking at the chart. Let me go ahead and zoom out here. There have been some buying sales on here, but this sucker looks like it's going to go right back up again according to this information here, because you got a lot of volume. You got $9.39 million 24-hour volume. This thing is going back up again, and it's already up from the 6 million that is stated right here. So Vitalik created the by accidentally a meme coin, and it's definitely surging as of late. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.